Hi guys, it's Pam here and welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. The dish I'm gonna be sharing with you today is Khao Pad Goong or fried rice with prawns. It's really quick and simple. Stick with me to the end to see how to make it. The first ingredient, of course, we need rice. The best type of rice to make fried rice is the leftover, but if you don't have one or cooking for guests who are coming over, just use fresh steamed rice but leave it completely cold before cooking, alright? Prawns or shrimps is homemade, so use as many as you want. Cold soda water, we are using it to clean the prawns. It helps reducing fishy smell and makes the prawns more firm and crunchy. 3 eggs, add 4 or 5 if you want more. Garlic, an onion, green onion, cucumber, vegetable oil, salted butter, Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. You can substitute with Maggi or light soy sauce. Sugar, salt, black or white pepper, and we're set for the ingredients. So the prawns I got are heads and shells on. Gonna peel and devein them. Cut off the head. My favorite way to do is to use the scissors cutting on its back where the poo tube is located. Then you can peel the shell off easily with the back is already opened. Gently pull out the poo tube. That's it. And I'll suggest to keep the heads if you're planning to make any menu that can use shrimps or prawn stock. Just clean them nicely and store in the freezer. And don't forget to have a separate place to dump prawns shells. They stink badly after a day. So yeah, shrimps, prawns, two different creatures that taste the same and look very similar. Same but different. Alright? Now add some salt in it. We're gonna make them nice and clean. Shake the cold soda a bit. And clean thoroughly. Clean with water for another couple times. Slice fresh cucumber to eat with fried rice. Two or 3 big-sized green onions, chop them up. Dice an onion. Then chop the garlic. And ready to move to the stove. We're on medium heat. Add 4 tablespoons vegetable oil. I suggest to use the high smoking point vegetable oil such as canola, palm, soybean, sunflower, etc. Keep olive oil or avocado oil for some other menus. We need high heat for this dish, and we don't need to wait until the oil is completely hot. Just once it warms up, then we add the chopped garlic. You're gonna keep stirring until it smells nice, or when you start to see some bubbles. Add the prawns. The oil will spill a bit because of some water from the prawns. Keep stirring until they're about 80% cooked. then rest in a bowl. And it's totally okay to leave a tiny bit of garlic here, just try to scoop them out as much as you can. Add 2 tablespoons salted butter, follow with chopped onion. Stir until soft. Then we crack the eggs. And kind of break the yolks and lightly stir. We don't want to make it into scrambled eggs. Then 400 grams of cold steamed rice. One teaspoon of salt. 3/4 tablespoon sugar. One tablespoon seasoning sauce. And mix it up a bit so the egg at the bottom will not be burnt. Add the pepper, prawns and garlic we fried earlier, chopped green onion, and turn up to high heat and stir away. Keep it moving. And look at our prawns, perfectly 100% cooked now and so springy. And this is what we always serve with fried rice in Thailand. Fresh cucumber, fresh lime, and prik nam pla or Thai chili fish sauce, a very authentic Thai table sauce. So we're gonna squeeze some lime juice on it and then sprinkle some prik nam pla on top. It's really easy to make. The recipe link is in description so you can check it out. So I hope you enjoyed. Once you make it, share some photo with me on my Facebook page, Thai Girl in the Kitchen. I'm looking forward to it. Make sure to subscribe for more recipes and see you again next video. สวัสดีค่ะ